Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to filter your email in your Gmail. If you want to filtering only the unread emails. Okay, so as you can see, if by default on Gmail mobile, it will be sorted by time received to your email. How to sort it or how to filter it only unread email. So how to doing that? You just click this search email or on the search box, and then you can type in is unread. So I will type in is unread. Then here already listed all the email that I haven't read before. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.